Hello everyone, and welcome back to Brave English Learners, your calm place to practice real, simple English, one conversation at a time. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. We're really happy you chose to spend a few minutes of your day with us.
Yes, truly. You could be scrolling, working, or feeling tired. But you're here, practicing your English. That already matters.
Exactly. And today's episode is special because we're talking about something we all share.
Your daily life.
Your mornings, your busy afternoons, your tired evenings. And how to talk about all of that in natural English.
No textbook sentences. No perfect days. Just real life English.
And if you're an A2 or B1 learner, don't worry. You don't need to understand every word. Just relax and listen.
Before we begin, please like this video. Subscribe to Brave English Learners. And share it with one friend who is learning English.
Alright, let's start at the beginning of the day.
Alex, be honest. How does your day usually start?
Honestly? With my alarm clock and a little battle.
Yes. The alarm clock war.
Exactly. My alarm rings, and my first thought is 5 more minutes, please.
Same here. I hit snooze, close my eyes, and suddenly 5 minutes becomes 15.
When I finally get up, I feel slow, like my body is heavy.
That's a great feeling to describe. In English, we say I drag myself out of bed.
Yes. Then I drink water, make tea, and slowly wake up my brain.
For me, mornings decide the mood of my whole day. If I rush, my mind feels noisy. If I move slowly, the day feels kinder.
After that comes the commute. The trip from home to work.
Some people drive. Some take the bus or train. Some just walk to another room and work from home.
Lucky people.
During my commute, I like listening to English. Music or podcasts help me feel calm.
That's a great habit for learners. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference.
Yes, your commute can be waiting time or learning time.
When I start work, I try not to open everything at once.
Same. Emails, messages, notifications. They can make your brain tired very fast.
I choose one important task first. I focus, then take a short break.
Breaks are important. When we don't rest, we feel stressed and angry for no reason.
And then comes the famous problem.
The afternoon slump.
Around 3 p.m., my energy disappears.
That's normal. It doesn't mean you're lazy. It means you're human.
I stand up, walk a little, drink tea. Small things help.
After work, my goal is simple. Switch off.
Yes. Some evenings, I crash on the sofa and do nothing.
And that's okay.
Other evenings, I cook, talk to a friend, or go for a short walk.
That's called me time. Time just for you.
Me time helps us feel like ourselves again.
Before bed, I like quiet moments.
Me too. I try not to scroll too much on my phone.
I ask myself one simple question. What was one good thing today?
Ending the day kindly helps us sleep better.
Here's an easy way to talk about your day in English. My day starts with on my way to. I usually. During the day, after work, I usually. Before bed, I like to.
Just one sentence for each part is enough.
That's real English.
Now it's your turn.
Tell us in the comments. How was your day? Or write one sentence about your routine.
Don't worry about mistakes. We care about your voice, not perfection.
Thank you for spending part of your day with us.
Keep practicing. Little by little, your English grows.
Don't forget to watch our next video on the screen for more easy English conversations.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.